Hi all. Okay, hoping this will be visible soon. I was just sorting out my green screen. Okay, let's see. We've got audio and visual now, so that's cool. Let's do 1 minute. Let's put a week. Everything in pawns. So check how we can use. Right. Gonna play for knight takes f3. Okay. I'm down 10 seconds on the clock. This is tricky, isn't it? Can I try for queen here and knight c4 check?
Yes.
Does he take here? Oh no, I was just giving him a check there. That wasn't very clever. Let's get the piece back. Oh, he resigns. He's got queen b7. Oh, it's check. It's check. I didn't even realise it was check. That was a really tough opponent. Okay, what's the rematch? There's a check. Win the exchange or g6. G6. Hang on, knight e5. Let's just take the exchange. Okay. Protect. d4. Okay. Yeah. Oh no. I've just lost everything, haven't I? I've just lost. Why did he take the rook? Seconds. Oh, that's horrible. Faster. Oh, yes, that was. Ugh. I'll lose the plot there. take on a3. Alright. Okay. Chat mates. Ah, okay. Yeah, this is a tough cookie. Okay, he wants another rematch. So can I get the better of him in this other rematch? Maybe knight c4 and queen b3. Alright. This knight here. Or queen here. Let's hit d5. Play for h5. Oh, right, he's clamping down quite well. What if I do a piece sack? Like that's hitting his queen. Is it worth that? No, probably not. Although I think there is a bit of danger on this diagonal. So maybe it's interesting. I've got mobile pawns. Actually, there's rook h7 anyway. Get the queens off. Well, I think it has worked out very well, whatever this is. Oh, it's knight g5. Okay. Has he had enough? Okay, just one more. So King's Engine. See how well he plays this. Okay, very good so far. F4 square. E5 square. G4. Well, it's giving me a strong piece. It's giving me a piece. Queen. Yes, that is true. Have I let him back in the game? I hope not. I'm still a rook up, but he's got dangerous pawns now. It's not so easy. Nice blockade. Oh, I let him break through there. Oh, okay, this is becoming like, I don't know if you guys want me to play on with this guy. Should I play on with this guy? Let's just ask the audience. Or move on to some different opponents. Do you want to vote? I think then vote. Play on all another opponents if you want to vote. I'll give you a few seconds as I pour some water. Do you want some variety? Keep going. Is one vote? Any others? Okay, let's play another. Right. Oh, have I misplayed this? Is there knight f4? Maybe he's doing okay. E5, maybe E5. Knight H5, E6. Knight D5, no, knight E5. Should be 7. I think E7 would have been interesting. Okay. Oh, bishop D5 would have been interesting. Oh, I'm messing this up. Okay, yeah, that ending was it's just too good. Oh, well, it's giving me a chance with this. I think that's misplayed because 2 pieces for a rook, I'm even getting a rook back. I think he misplayed that tactically. He's playing a bit too quick. I know it's bullet chess though, but maybe he's playing a bit too quick. Try and play for knight e2. Yes. Knight e2 is going to be lethal. Okay, this guy keeps wanting a rematch. Okay. Oh, knight f4 would have been good. Yeah, I missed that f4. Okay. Yeah, he was coming back in this game. He doesn't want to give up. I don't know. I don't know. Okay, just one more. Just one more for the road. Okay. Okay, how to do this? Well, I have to keep a5 protected. I don't think I played this in an optimal way. I've got a5 attacked. Let's grab the perpetual. Let's grab the perpetual. Certainly. Alright, I think someone else. Okay. Let's go for a bit of variety elsewhere in the world. Okay. Interesting match. So, yeah, this is like tricky, actually, isn't it? imagining it. There's a bit of a bind. Yeah. Oh. Yeah. Knight G3. Yes. I'm not doing anything here, am I? Yet. Yeah, I thought he's got a bit of a bind. I'm playing a pawn down now. What am I playing for here? What am I playing for? Is C1 bishop? I'll play a pawn down for a C1, but I don't know what I'm playing for. What can I play with? Very solid performance. Wow. And he continues to play solidly throughout. To the last second. Okay. Yes, that was a very solid performance. Okay. Is he playing? Or should we just ball? Okay. Ball. Should be full. Not yet. Right. E4. Oh, okay. Change of plan. Okay, let's try and focus. Try and focus. What is he doing? What do I need to do? He's squishing me. I'm being squished. Oh, my king's under attack. This isn't nice. What am I doing here now? My king's under attack. Check. Aim for an attack like this. Cheeky, protected the rook there. Okay, yeah, you know, they're solid, aren't they? Well, E3 is vulnerable. It's undermined now. Blockade. He has got an elegant blockade, actually. Oh, I could have just sent his queen now. I blundered my bishop. Let's just get rid of this knight for a moment. I was impressed by his blockade. Ah, let's not be that impressed. that would be bad to allow rook g2. Very bad.
Draw.
B4. I can't see board with the draw offer. He's obscured the board with the draw offer. I don't want to draw. Why would I want to draw? Oh, he's persevering with this B4 stuff, isn't he?
Draw.
Oh, God. Some resistance. Resistance is futile. Okay. Does he want a rematch? Let's go. Okay. What? The opponent called an arbiter. What? Hey? The opponent called an arbiter. What? What is that about? Did I lose rating points for that? What is that about? Well, because I didn't start it in 2 seconds. I don't know what this is. There's no opponent here. What is going on here? Is this Fischer random or something? Nanan? Now I'm really confused. What is this Nanan business? I've just blundered my queen. I don't know. I'm taken aback by something here. Why does it say time all the time? I think what's disturbed me is that there's no clock ticking. I think this has disturbed my concentration. There's no clock. I don't know. There's a series of random events have just started occurring. I think. So this guy hasn't got apparently a clock to tick down. So that means I'm just going to lose on time. Basically, I'm playing somewhere without a clock. That's really nice, isn't it? He just plays rook e6. I think I'll call an arbiter because there's no clock. There's just no clock. I mean, how can I play like this? Do I have to resign? I'm calling an arbiter. Right. Okay. I'm the one. Sorry. I'm calling an arbiter. There's an arbiter button. I'm calling an arbiter. Right. This is it. This is it. Sorry. Sorry. Opponent has no clock. Arbiter, please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This is a bit of unexpected entertainment, but you know, I don't mean to moan. Yeah, it's supposed to be bullet chess, not someone without a clock. Right. Do it. I'm going to lose 6 million rating points now, aren't I? All right. Chat info. Okay. Don't tell me. I'm going to lose all these rating points against someone I could never beat. Do I? Okay. I'm. I don't know. I don't know. Yeah, I've just lost like 26 points. 26 points. Okay, I think that ends this session soon. That ends this session. I think just one more opponent without a clock, and I'm going. I'm going. I'm sorry. I can't take it. I can't take it. I know it's a feeble excuse, but it's disturbing getting mashed by someone without a clock. I'm off after this. Hope you enjoyed this week. As much as me, I hope you enjoyed this week. Yeah, someone flashing nan nan with that clock. Very funny. Okay. I'm going now. I'm going now. I've had enough. Thanks. Thanks. I hope you enjoyed it. Yeah, 1 fun, 10 boring. Yeah. Now, if you really enjoyed this session, then that's great. So did I. Yeah. Thanks very much. Cheers then.